Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle one of the biggest headaches for just about any business owner out there, managing the books. We're going to explore how virtual bookkeeping is turning that constant hassle into, well, total harmony. So let me just ask you this straight up. Does it ever feel like you're spending more time wrestling with spreadsheets and digging through receipts than you are actually, growing your business? If you're nodding along, trust me, you are not alone. It's a huge bottleneck for so many entrepreneurs.
So let's really dig into why old school bookkeeping is such a pain. Think about it. We're talking about paper-based systems, endless hours of manual data entry, and being physically chained to an office. It's not just annoying, it can literally hold your business back.
And wow, this quote just says it all, doesn't it? That feeling of hating accounting, that's so real for so many people. It really shows you that what businesses need isn't just a number cruncher, but a partner who's patient, responsive, and makes the whole thing feel genuinely easier.
But here's the good news. We are not stuck in the dark ages anymore. Technology has given us a modern alternative that completely changes the game. It's really a new era for how businesses can handle their finances. So what exactly is virtual bookkeeping? Well, at its heart, it's about moving your entire financial system online. It uses cloud-based software to give you complete flexibility and control, so you can finally break free from those old school constraints. And when you put them side by side, man, the difference is just night and day. On one side, you've got the old way. Stacks of paper, access only from 9 to 5, and so much manual work that's just begging for errors. On the other side, you've got the cloud, 24/7, real-time access, powerful automation, and the freedom to manage your money from literally anywhere with an internet connection. It's a total game changer. But look, this is about more than just some cool new tech. It's about building a complete support system for your business. A really great virtual bookkeeping service isn't just one thing. It's a whole financial toolkit designed to streamline every part of your operation. So what's actually in this toolkit? Well, pretty much the whole shebang. We're talking about everything from the day-to-day, like who owes you money and who you need to pay, all the way up to the big picture stuff, like your profit and loss statements. It covers essentials like payroll and tax setups, and they can even jump in to do a bookkeeping cleanup if your books are a bit of a mess. It's everything you need all in one spot. And this quote shows you what happens when that toolkit is working perfectly. You end up with what this business owner is talking about, a system that's organized, streamlined, and just plain efficient. It's about building a rock-solid financial foundation so your business can really take off.
Okay, but let's be real. Not all virtual bookkeeping services are the same. Just having virtual in the name isn't enough. So let's talk about what separates a pretty good provider from a truly great one, the kind that becomes a real expert guide for your business.
The really top-tier firms, they operate on a clear philosophy that goes way beyond just the numbers. I came across one powerful example that uses the acronym DEPTH. That's DEPTH, and it really defines their whole approach. So let's break that down. Depth means they have backups for every person on your account, so you're never left hanging. Education means they are obsessed with training and solid processes to make sure everything is accurate. Disclosure is all about customizing communication so it actually works for you. And support means having a whole team ready to dive deep and solve any problem you have. It's a blueprint for real partnership. Now, a great philosophy is fantastic, but you also absolutely need to have proven certified expertise. This means you need a team that knows the actual tools that modern businesses, like yours, rely on every single day. And here's why that's so critical. Your business probably runs on a whole stack of software, right? Maybe you use QuickBooks, sell through Shopify, take payments with Stripe. A top-tier team has to be fluent in all of it. They need to know how all these systems talk to each other to give you a clear, accurate financial picture. Okay, time for the million-dollar question, or hopefully not quite $1 million. This all sounds amazing, but let's get down to brass tacks. What's the actual investment? So, based on what we're seeing, the typical range in Canada falls somewhere between $500 and $3,000 a month. Now, I know that's a pretty wide range, but that's actually a good thing. It shows that these services aren't one size fits all. The price scales up or down based on how big and complex your business is, so you're only paying for what you truly need. All right, so let's tie this all together. When you combine that great technology with a full suite of services and a team of true experts, what's the ultimate result? It's about making your business's finances completely bulletproof. And this is really the dream, isn't it? To get to a place where your finances are so smooth and so reliable that you just don't have to worry about them anymore. It frees up your time, your mental energy, and your focus so you can get back to doing what you're best at, growing your company. I absolutely love this final quote because it nails the most important evolution here. This isn't just about handing off a task. The right service moves you past simple bookkeeping and becomes a strategic partner.
They start giving you real insights that help you make smarter decisions about everything.
So, as we wrap things up, I'll just leave you with this question to think about. After seeing how this can bring efficiency, organization, and real strategic insight, is your business ready to finally move from financial hassle to true financial clarity? Because making that leap could be the single best thing you do for your growth this year.